If you want to create private name servers at Namecheap, this video will walk you through the full process, step by step. Private name servers are useful when you want your domain to use branded name servers like ns1.yourdomain.com and ns2.yourdomain.com instead of generic provider names. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple websites, run hosting for clients, or simply want your brand to look more professional and consistent. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Domain List, find the domain you want to use for your private name servers, and then click Manage next to it. This takes you into the domain settings where you can control DNS and advanced options. Now click Advanced DNS. This is where Namecheap lets you manage deeper DNS settings, including the Personal DNS Server section that we need for private name servers. Scroll down until you find Personal DNS Server. Here you'll see options related to name server setup. If you want name servers like ns1.yourdomain.com and ns2.yourdomain.com, select Standard Name Servers. If you need a different host name setup, you can choose Custom Name Servers instead. For most people creating branded private name servers, Standard Name Servers is the option you'll use. Next, click Add Name Server. In the Name Server field, enter NS1. Then, in the IP address field, enter the first IP address provided by your hosting provider. This IP address is important because it points your name server to the correct server. After that, click Done to save the first name server. Now repeat the same process for NS2. Click Add Name Server again, enter NS2 in the Name Server field, and then enter the second IP address from your hosting provider. Again, click Done to save it. At this point, you've added both private name server entries inside Namecheap, but there is one very important step left. You must create the corresponding A records for NS1 and NS2 on your hosting or DNS server. Without those A records, your private name servers will not function properly. This step connects the name server host names to the correct server IPs, so make sure it is completed on the hosting side as well. Once those A records are in place, your private name servers should be ready to use. Depending on DNS propagation, it may take some time before everything fully resolves across the internet. So don't worry if it does not update instantly. And that's it. You now know how to create private name servers at Namecheap. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Namecheap and domain management videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.